3, 2, 1.
Never give up, never give in. We gotta fight for what we believe in.
Hello guys, welcome to Hobbies, and today it's unboxing time. So we're going to unbox this Takara Tomy Superking B161 Beyblade Ragnaruk. And this one, the owner of this Beyblade is
Rantaro Kiyama.
Rantaro Kiyama. He's back on season 5, guys.
Yeah.
Beyblade Burst Superking or Sparking. Let's look at the box. By the way, the trick for this Beyblade is
moving.
yeah, this one is moving.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the purpose of that one. Anyway,
Yeah, I
so
know.
this is Hyuga and Hikaru Asahi.
I know
This
that
is the
trick,
stats. Okay, let's look at the parts.
This one
So
is
the Superking chip is
Ragnaruk.
And
And
the ring is Glide.
Glide.
And the chassis is
is
1S or
One star.
1 stamina.
It's a
Ooh.
single chassis.
This is a single chassis, so the for
Can use
this
in the
is wheel.
It can use in the other disc.
Yes, that's correct.
And this one is wheel.
Wheel, the disc, forge
And
disc,
this
and the driver or the
This one is the driver or
performance stick is Revolve.
Ragnaruk.
Okay,
Or I mean, sorry.
Revolve.
Revolve.
So this one is the single chassis, double chassis.
Yep.
Glide Ragnarok have single chassis. So as Riley said earlier, you can use other discs
Yes,
on
yeah.
it. Alright.
I'm correct.
By the way, we're going to use, Rohan, what are we
Cutter.
going to use? Scissor and cutter. And as we always say,
Warning!
warning, extremely dangerous. So when not for babies.
Or kids.
So when using sharp objects, make sure you have your parents with you or you have an adult supervision. Oh, there's the sad Pac-Man.
Not for babies.
Okay, let's open it.
Not for babies.
Not for babies.
And kids. And kids.
Because the reason is the Beyblade has small parts.
Yeah.
So the babies might eat the small parts. Of course, they will choke on it.
1 year.
Drum roll, please. That's what's this? Rantaro. Guys.
3, 2, 1, shoot! Yay! Wow!
Hey, calm down, please, guys. So here is the.
Wait a minute! It's a lot of stickers.
Yes, there's a lot of stickers. Let's open it.
Here. Here it is.
Okay, guys, here is the stickers. Wow.
And here's
cool.
the Superking customized guide.
Okay, sa Superking customized guide.
I wanna read it.
No, this is just like the other one. The one
Yep.
from
Yep.
Super Hyperion and King Helios.
Yep.
Okay, so these are the guide and the sticker guide also.
Super Ragnaruk.
Okay.
This Super Ragnaruk.
Hey, Ron, let me.
Look, it's for defense type. The one balance is for defense type.
Okay.
Look, it's defense.
Ooh.
Woohoo!
Okay, by the way,
Ragnarok.
hold on, guys. Let's weight the part first.
Here's the weight scale.
Okay.
It's moving. It's moving.
Oh, okay. So let's weight them first.
It
11.8.
Here.
Chassis 16.5.
I can believe it's so
Wow,
heavy.
this one is really heavy.
Yeah.
30.1.
Here's that.
The Revolve
Alright.
5.7. So let's look at the parts first, one by one.
Yep.
So here's the
Ragnarok.
oh,
It
interesting.
is-
Let's look at the what do you call this?
I'll get the others.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. To put it back, I just need to put it like this and
Boom pow. That's fine.
there you go. Can you remove this? Okay.
Wow, wow.
So you can customize this one also.
Yep.
What's happening? Okay, there you go.
Wait a minute.
Okay.
It's a
Looks
wheel.
cool. But for me, it's a little bit light. Can I have that?
Yep.
So this one is the chassis LR. So you can use it on left or right spin Beyblade.
Yeah, LR.
This one is the disc. Wow, this one is really heavy. So to put it, you need to like this one.
Like that.
Hold on,
And then
Riley.
to put it away,
Okay. So it's
Here's
like a
the
disc,
driver.
normal disc.
look.
Okay. Let's check the weight for this one.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Like
Okay,
that.
so this one. Can you get Super Hyperion and
King Hill, yes.
King?
That's
Yes.
mine.
Wow, so this one is 64.2. It's heavier than Super Hyperion and King Helios. Let's wait for Kuya. Oh, hold on. Can we check the... Okay, so let's weight it again. 64.2.
Yep.
And Super Hyperion, this one is 61.6, and the King Helios,
Can I touch Glide Ragnarok?
this is the lightest of the three, 59.2.
Can I get Glide Ragnarok?
Hold on. Let's check the weight of this one.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Let's combine it with Big Bang
Big Bang
Genesis
Genesis.
plus
Charge.
charge. Let's check the weight of this one.
Alright.
Wow, 76. Oh man, this one is really heavy.
Super duper
Anyway,
duper duper duper.
Can you build it again? Let's do a test spin now. Okay, so let's do a test spin. I'll do it first and then Kuya Riley. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at the
Feels
color.
like really
Look at the
heavy.
color.
Because
It's the
we
head.
haven't put the stickers yet. Let's
We'll
put
put
it
the
later.
sticker.
Wow, it's in the center.
Take a look of the driver.
Wow. Oh man, this will take long. You do a test spin now.
Yep.
Then later, let's do a test battle. 3, 2, 1.
Go, Glide Ragnarok.
Ooh.
Activate. Wow.
Wow. I'm excited to do a test battle with this one.
When you did
You
not
want?
use. Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to use Glide Ragnarok.
Okay, so for our first test battle, it's against Josie Valkyrie.
Alright.
Let's do it.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Glide Typhoon.
There you go.
Glide Typhoon. Now.
Whoa! Burst finish. Wow. Interesting.
Oh, my bird.
Oh man, he burst me. I'll have my revenge.
3,
3, 2, 1.
My revenge is over yet. Glide Typhoon. And look at that. It activates the Josie Blade.
Yeah, I know.
But it's still burst finish. This Glide Ragnarok always surprised me.
I'll have my revenge now, for real.
No.
3, 2, 1.
The right side is over yet.
There you go.
Glide Typhoon.
Oh no. You have the center.
Yeah, that's my Glide
I cannot
Typhoon.
win by a stamina battle.
You won.
No.
Glide with
Attack.
attack with Glide Typhoon.
Oh man. Again.
You activated. Amazing.
Let me know when you are ready.
3,
2, 1.
Glide Typhoon.
Yes. Woo, revenge. Ring out. Finish.
The revenge is over yet.
Siren.
Sparking is
It's okay.
mine.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, there you go. Ring out. Finish.
Daddy.
I love you too.
Can I say Glide Typhoon here at the unboxing?
I love you too.
3,
2, 1.
Glide Typhoon. And use Glide Typhoon.
Awakened driver. Go. Ooh. Oh.
My Glide
Are you
Typhoon is
kidding me?
awakening. Because that's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
Light Ragnarok.
Now,
Wait.
let's battle it with Union Achilles.
Oh my god.
Let's see your
3,
2,
1.
1.
Light Typhoon.
Ooh, nice attack. Oh man, seriously.
Super seriously.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
1.
Light Typhoon.
Union Achilles. Ooh, nice
Hit it with
battle.
Light Typhoon.
Oh, ring out. Oh man, that one's good.
Yeah. But you almost burst me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, attack mode activated for the driver.
Light power activate.
Let's see.
3, 2, 1. Go! Light
Ooh.
Typhoon.
Oh! Burst speed. Oh man.
Did you see the driver? It floats.
Yeah. Ready?
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Defense. Union defense. Union
Ooh,
shield.
nice battle. Oh, you're losing stamina. Alright. Survivor finish. Beyblade Ragnaruk is the winner. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Not hit it with shield. Hit it with Union shield.
Oh, Survivor finish. Okay, use this one.
Here you go.
And
I want
let's try it with Naked Spray Gun.
The price bay of random booster volume 18.
That's right. Ready? 3,
3,
2, 1.
That is Light Typhoon.
Whoa, ring out finish.
So it's hitting right here and right here. That
Yes. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Now you Light Typhoon.
Oh, I think this is a stamina battle. Oh, the defense of Naked Spray Gun or the stamina of Glide Ragnarok. Who's gonna win?
Light Typhoon.
Oh man, your stamina is good.
Yeah.
Where is Ron?
Oh,
Hey,
thank you.
Ron. That's the
3,
3, 2, 1.
Light Typhoon.
There you go.
Take a
Oh, ring out finish. That's nice. That's nice.
That's it.
Ready?
3,
2, 1.
Light Typhoon. Oh my god. Light Typhoon.
Ooh, scraping. Oh, burst!
Ah, yay.
Oh man.
Points.
Okay, so our next opponent is Big Bang Genesis.
Or Genesis.
Let's go.
3,
3, 2, 1.
Light
Oh, I'm
Typhoon.
the one who got the center.
Bursting while his infinite lock system.
Yeah.
Never.
Oh man. Oh, still spin. 3,
3, 2,
2, 1.
1. Light Typhoon.
Oh, there you go. Burst finish.
Ragnarok is bursting.
Yeah, because
No,
I'm so strong. No kidding.
it's infinite.
Just kidding. Let's go. 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Light Typhoon. Ragnarok.
Genesis. Oh, ring out.
I won in a one.
Oh.
3,
3,
2,
2,
1. Light Typhoon.
Big Bang.
Ah,
Alright. Ring out. Finish.
Nice job. Ragnarok.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
One.
Ragnarok Typhoon. Light Ragnarok is late. Typhoon.
Ooh. Kami na battle. Oh, survival finish. Okay, so our next opponent is Regalia Genesis. Let's see its performance against an electric type driver.
Yeah,
Ready?
like Imperial Dragon.
3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm losing stamina. Oh man. Hello. Again. 3, 2, 1.
Rock the Light zone.
Ooh. Oh! Hello, Ron.
Almost been red. Almost burst you that.
3, 2, 1.
Look the center.
Oh, double burst!
It's a draw.
Never give up, never give in. We gotta fight for what we believe in. Put to the test, together we'll win.
Wow, I actually managed to burst Regalia Genesis. Okay. Guys, that's all for our unboxing video. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.
Woo!